Holger, explain me reaction pH.
Reaction pH is a formula that was especially made for those clients and for those skins that need antibiotic, that need antimicrobial effects and anti-inflammatory effects. That means whenever you see redness, whenever you see impurities, that skin needs a certain calmation, plus also needs the effect of reducing in deeper layers, reducing all the redness and reducing all the infections. Yeah? And therefore we are using 15% of the most precious mandelic acid. It's really one of the most expensive acids in the world market, and we are using 15% of the highest quality. It's got quite large molecules, but still they penetrate very deeply, slowly but deeply. And they are famous for their the mandelic acid is famous for the antimicrobiotic and for the antibiotic effect. It's really like you would put an antibiotic product onto the skin, but here we're talking about deeper layers. So perfect for acne clients, perfect for people with impure skin, and all sorts of redness that might occur, because worldwide we have really a major problem. There's always sorts of infections inside the skin. And all sorts of inflammations inside the skin. They can cause all sorts of imperfections. So the mandelic acid with antibiotic effect combined with amber acid, and we're using 5% of the amber acid, and this is the acid that really controls all sorts of inflammations. This combination used once or even twice weekly for the clients that you want to help. You take down the pressure inside the impurities, you take down the aggressive feeling of the impurities. After 10 to 15 minutes it needs to be washed off. Best, of course, if we were talking about acne clients, to use then Recharge pH and Revital pH after